Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk-around tour of our 2017 Toyota Prius hatchback XL we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification, picking out some of the main points on this particular example we have for sale. Starting with the exterior, the vehicle is finished in the Galaxy Black Metallic. The vehicle comes with the half black, half silver painted alloy wheels. You get LED tail lights, LED daytime running lights with the bi-xenon headlight system, surround park assist, the hatchback opening rear with 60/40 split folding rear seats, a full leather interior as well with black leather on this particular example. The vehicle does come with the electric lumbar support, heated seats for both the front passengers, a leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel with access to your adaptive cruise control function, as well as a couple of other vehicle assists. The vehicle does come with the heads-up display function, the white painted centre console area with cup holders, some infotainment ports, the wireless smartphone charger, your drive selector with your EV modes accessible on the left, multi-zone climate control, and the TFT touchscreen centre display with access to a multitude of infotainment and vehicle features, including DAB radio, your reversing camera with the surround park assist, your satellite navigation with voice recognition available for the navigation system, amongst a few other features. The vehicle does come with the 10-speaker JBL premium sound system as well, amongst a long list of other features. If you'd like to see the full specification, book a viewing or a test drive on this 2017 Toyota Prius, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.